Okay, Rod, I've walked through about 2/3 of Webster. It's actually a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. There's not as many people here, but there's incredible deals going on left and right. Oh, no thanks. And some guy hustling shoe shine. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, so I've been through most of it. It's smaller, it's more scattered out than I expected. I thought it would be more wall to wall, but it's not. And anyway, no, but there's some real deals, man. There's all kinds of deals going on. I came across a voltmeter, official Harley voltmeter, in really good shape for $2, you know. But that's not even what I'm talking about. There's guys selling. Guy had an '83 FLT Tour Glide, complete less motor and brakes. This guy wanted $1,500, and clear Florida title. You know, it's just. It's got the enclosed chain set up, and the whole deal, you know. But anyway, that's just one. There's all kinds of bikes for sale here. You know. All right, well, we're doing it. I don't see anything that I'm looking for. I'll do a little more walk and talk, shooting with the camera, and then I'm gonna put it away and kind of look more specifically for my stuff. Boy, the sun came out and it's just hot as could be. Just really hot. You know, you can only stand this for about an hour or so, then you gotta go. I found an old police jacket a guy was selling for $40. And it was actually worth the money. 40 or offer. I was going to offer him like 30. He said, well, give me 35. I don't know. I don't really need a leather jacket for $35, you know, not in Florida, but I'm thinking of getting a more modern, dropping a more modern headlight. Harley's got these double bulb halogen lights, and but I was thinking to myself, wait till I get everything I need or want now before I add to the list. You know what I'm saying?
Well, because it just got.
Gosh, I'd like to find a left side FXR bag in any kind of shape almost. What I'm going to do is put bushings in those half-inch deep wells on the side of the bike, and probably JB weld those in, and in the meantime the center will be drilled and tapped for a 1/4-20 bolt. So instead of having a rubber weld plug that's supposed to hold in there, I'm going to actually JB weld a half-inch bushing in there, and then that should hold. That shouldn't come out, I would think. They got a church service here at 11. I don't think it's even 11 o'clock yet, and it's hotter than hell.
The 3 race bikes you got my kids. Oh. They were on the trailer outside. Oh, okay.
That's not good, but they say to get in. All right, so
Need an AC unit for your bike? A little window cool AC, huh? Now you're talking. Oh, yeah. Back in the old days. Ta-da.
Yeah. I know, 2 of them.
Chrome don't get you home, but you sure look good. Broke down on the side of the road. You know what?